Hi, today I am going to be showcasing these three robot vacuums here. So this one is the Ecovacs Dbot X11. This one here is the Roborock Qrevo S5V. This one down here is the Dream H12 Pro. So starting with this one here that is closest to me, is probably the most unique out of the three, definitely in appearance alone. So for this one, it's going to be a canister here for collecting all the dust and debris, and whatever this picks up is going to collect into this canister here in the front. It's also got a filter here in the top that just needs to be replaced every so often. It's going to keep things nice and clean. And you can just slide it back in there. And then so this is going to be your clean water tank right here. And then this on the right is going to be your dirty water tank. As well as another feature this one has, it's pretty unique. Pull up this panel here in the front, is that it's going to give you some options for putting it in cleaning solution. So it has two separate containers right here, one smaller, one bigger, so you can put in different kinds of cleaning solution if need be, whatever of your choice. You can just pop them back and just pop in this panel here in the front. And for this one, when I pull it out, it is going to have a camera in the front as well as a laser. And this top panel here is going to come off, and from there you can pull out this little filter here and just pop it back in. It's also going to be able to be Wi-Fi connected. You can know from the top. And when we turn it over, it's going to have a few different features. So it's going to have this little piece here in the front, and these brushes here in the middle. So it's going to have good options between cleaning hardwood floor as well as bristles for getting into carpeted areas as well. And it's super easy to just pull out, clean it whenever is needed, and pop it back into place. For this Roborock one here in the middle, it's going to have your dirty water here on the left, and then on the right, it's going to have your clean water. It's also going to have this front panel, so you can just pop it out, and you're going to have your dust bag right here, and you can pop the front panel right back in like that. And for this one here, it's going to have the LiDAR on the top, so it's going to be able to better detect furniture and not bump into as many things. It also is going to have a camera and lasers, so it's going to be a pretty neat feature to have. And just pop this thing up here, and you can pop this out, and this is going to be your air filter, which every so often needs to be cleaned and replaced. Pretty accessible though. And then now when we flip this over, we're going to have a few different features. So we're going to have these magnetic mop discs, which just can be popped out like that. It's also going to have an arm, so it's going to be able to slide out and cover more ground with mopping and slide it right back into place. And these are Velcro, so whenever need be, you can wash them or, you know, put them in the washer themselves. It's also going to have this little piece here, which can do some more cleaning action. And then to pop out this, just pull the tabs. And it's going to have these two little brushes here. So since it has these two brushes, when they spin, whatever hair they might catch is going to pool up in the middle and then get sucked up, so it's not going to get tangled or become like a total disaster or anything like that. And it's a pretty nice feature to have, especially for somebody or anybody who has long hair. You know the struggle of having to get tangled and everything. And it's also going to have a little piece in here, so for cleaning the pieces inside, so you don't have to clean them quite as often as you may have to yourself. It's still going to need the occasional manual cleaning, but this is going to get a lot of work done for you. And just slide it right back into place. All right, now on to the last one here, the Dream H12 Pro. I'm gonna bring this lid up. It's gonna have your dirty water on this side here, And then on the right side, it's going to have your clean water tank. It's also going to have this front panel that's just going to slide out, as well as your dust bag here, which needs to be dealt with just every so often. All right, and then when I pull this out, you can see this one's going to have LiDAR on the top, so it's not going to be a problem for it bumping into furniture or anything like that. You can bring this up, this top piece up, and then we can get into the little filter here. So it's pretty accessible and easy to deal with. Pretty easy to clean as well. Yeah, these are all really great products, and they're all going to get a lot of cleaning done.